How a flower is made conceptually is you have the framework of the big one, within which you fit the petals, bottom, back, top, front, or if you're going an underhand, inspin, bottom, front, top, back. Or as you know, you can do these anti-spin versions as well. But it's petals inside the frame of this bigger circle. Now, if you look at your giant, the giant is just the big circle without the petals in between. Now if I add the petals, it follows the same arc. You just add the 4 petals that go within. Watch my hands. What you'll notice, this is my left hand. What you'll notice with my left hand is it changes sides of the body at the back point there. So if you looked at my room as the screen is north, the camera is south. On the west side of the room is where the left poi, in the 9 o'clock position, that is where the poi changes from one side of the body to the other. Meanwhile, the right poi changes on the east side at 3 o'clock. So here's what I mean. I'm going in side opposite left, and now I'm going to change it right there. Instead of going to here, I'm going to turn, and both poi switch sides of the body. Then I continue around in the other flower, 3 positions. Now watch. Both poi are going to switch sides of the body. Then I go around 3 more positions. Now they're both going to switch sides of the body. Boom. 3 more positions. Boom, 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 and switch. 2, 3, 4, 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 switch. 2, 3, 4. Big overhand circle. Then you're going to pivot to the left and step back, and it's going to be an underhand circle back behind here where you're doing petals in the middle. And then you step forward and up over the top in the big circle here, come down to the bottom, then we step back, come up over the top on the back, underhand, we're bowling, come down across the bottom, step forward, turn, up, over the top, big circle, come down. We're going to turn, step the leg back as we come up, over the top, go back behind, come underhand, under the bottom, step forward, turn up over the top, pedal at the top, pedal at the front, pedal at the bottom, turn, pedal at the back, now the front, and step back, top, back, bottom, turn to the front, now on the back, top, front, bottom, turn, from the back to the front, top, stepping back, back behind, come underneath, step front, come up, up, front, down, turn, up, step back, up, back, down, step, up, up, front, down, turn, up, up, back, down, turn, up, up, front, turn, and pivot, up, up, back, turn, and step, and up, up, front, down, pivot, up, step back, up, back, down. Okay, left one is overhand, you're facing this way, and back, up, front, bottom, flip the poi, up, back, bottom, flip the poi, up, front, bottom, flip the poi, up, back, bottom, flip the poi, up, front, bottom, flip the poi, up, back, bottom, flip the poi, up, front, bottom, flip the poi, up, back, bottom. Right, you really need to go over the top and back so that you can get it to this back position in the same line rather than something like that where it's coming out to the side. let's see, we're underhand facing the right, and then you go front, top, back, bottom. Now we're going to turn, and as we turn, flip the poi, and it'll end up in the back position. Then go up, then front, then bottom. Now we're going to turn and flip the poi, and then it's going to go up and back, and again, just like the other one, if you need to step, you can. Right, so up, back, bottom, flip the poi, up and front and bottom, flip the poi, up and back and bottom, flip the poi, and up and front and bottom, flip the poi, up, back, bottom, flip the poi, up, front, bottom, flip the poi, up, back, bottom, flip the poi, up, front, bottom. Left arm is going overhand, right arm is going underhand. We start with them both at the bottom. We're going to move them so the right is in front, the left is in back. They both come up. The right goes back, left goes front. They both come down. Now we're going to flip sides of the body, so you turn into the T facing the left side. Then they both go up into the I. Then they go into the T where the left comes back. Then they both come down. Now we're going to flip the poi again into the T as we turn 180 degrees so you're facing the right. Then up into the I, back into the T, down into the I. Then you're going to flip the poi and the left becomes the front. And they both come up, and the left goes back, and they both go down. And you flip to the T, and they both go up. Your left goes front. They both go down.